It's about how men think that they're better than you just because they have a dick, which is fucking wrong. The power in the music industry, the future of music and the future of bands is fucking female. No mate, as a torn, I can be the crazy one if you want. Is it what you like? Is it what you need? Maybe you thought so before you said it. Call me Victor, call me control it. Maybe if you knew how it felt, you know that I don't get it, I just can't see. Maybe you should be the same. You are nothing without me, I'm there, right there. Everything within you, but maybe if you I would be so sad. You would see another difficult. Maybe you could open up your eyes and say